Ah, the magic of gardening. Turning a plot of earth into a sanctuary of beauty. But where does one start? Welcome to today's guide on essential gardening tools for beginners. Hello green thumbs and those looking to sprout their first garden. I'm Plant Lady, an avid gardener. Today, I'll share my knowledge of gardening to guide you on the tools you really need to start your gardening journey. Basic digging tools. Let's dig in. Literally. Hand trowel. This is your garden's best friend, perfect for planting flowers and vegetables. Spade. A larger cousin to the trowel, great for digging bigger holes, edging, and lifting sod. Fork. For breaking up hard soil or turning compost. Pruning and cutting. Trimming and maintaining is crucial. Pruning shears. For snipping away deadheads, cutting back overgrowth, and shaping plants. Garden scissors. For more delicate tasks like harvesting herbs or cutting soft stems. Loppers. When you need a bit more leverage for thicker branches. Soil care. Your soil is the foundation. Let's treat it right. Garden rake. Perfect for clearing leaves and debris, as well as leveling soil. Soil test kit. Know your soil's pH and nutrient levels for healthier plants. Compost bin. Turn your kitchen waste into nutrient-rich gold for your plants. Watering tools. Water. The essence of life. Watering can gives you control over where and how much water your plants get. Garden hose with adjustable nozzle. For larger gardens or when you want a more hands-off approach. Protective gear. Safety first. Gardening gloves. Protect those hands from thorns, bugs, and dirt. Knee pads or a kneeling cushion. Trust me, your knees will thank you. Starting a garden can be a bit overwhelming with all the tools out there. But remember, gardening is a journey. Start with these essentials and grow your toolkit as your garden flourishes. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.